Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to have a look at Autonomous Agent. In Autonomous Agent, we give goal-driven tasks where LLM decides the path. Let me navigate to Visual Studio Code. In Agent Service, I'll define a method, Autonomous Agent. I have a long prompt here, so I'll copy paste the prompt. I'll go through the prompt. You are an autonomous orchestrator agent. Your specialist agents available as tools. Research topic, write blog post, edit draft, review quality, improve content, classify query. So if you remember, we have already defined these as agents in our previous tutorials. So what I am going to do, I will wrap those agents as tools and pass those tools to LLM using chat client. Chat client dot prompt. I'll remove this. I'll just say goal. And now I have to pass the tools. I have already created a class under service folder. I named it Agent Orchestrator Tools.java. So basically what it does is it calls the agent service respective method. Here I have defined a tool annotation. I have given the description, and this method has a parameter that is of type tool param, which describes the what it has to do. The topic to research, example topics, and the topic. And then we pass this topic to the research agent. So this is a wrapper method, and we annotate that wrapper method with the tool annotation. Similarly, I have done for all the agents. I have created a wrapper method, then annotated with tool annotation. Here it is write blog post. Here it is edit draft, review quality, improve content, classify query, and so on. Now I'll create an instance of that agent orchestrator tool, and I'll pass reference of this class, because agent orchestrator has a constructor which accepts agent service. Then return. Now in agent controller, I will create an API. We define a get mapping and define method signature, which takes a request parameter of type string. I have named it goal. So basically we are passing goal. Then I will call agent service autonomous agent, and I will pass the goal. Let me log some data. Also, let me add timer. Let me accept this coding suggestion. Let's go through it. We are sending goal, result, and execution time. Response pattern looks okay. Now let me save this and build the API. And run the application. While running, let me bring up the Postman. I have already added this get API here, agent autonomous goal. In the goal, I have written write a concise blog about weather in Udupi, review it, improve it, and once you are satisfied with the content, classify the post and output the classification along with the post content. So we are not coded any workflow here. LLM will decide which agent or which tool to call and when. I have written concise blog because as we are using Grok free tier, if the blog post is lengthy, then we will hit limitation error. Now let me hit the API. Let us focus on here in the logs terminal. It is calling research agent, get weather, write blog post, review quality, improve content, review quality, edit draft, and we got the response. It has classified this blog post as creative. So it is giving me suggestion to pack bags, grab your sunscreen, get ready to discover hidden gem of India's western coast. From the logs in the terminal, it is clear that AI is deciding which agent or tool to call based on our prompt or goal. Looks interesting, isn't it? Let's wrap this tutorial here. We'll see you in the next lesson.